There's a bird. You can't see it, but can't see the birds. I'm sorry. Oh my god! All those eagles are so scary.
Okay, is it?
The eagles, guys, look at those eagles.
Oh my god!
I mean, owls.
Probably the blurry.
Okay, let's go. Anya, elephant. Elephant here. Come on, let's take a look. This is amazing. What's the bird in here? Oh my god! It just flew, guys. Did you guys just see that?
What's up?
I didn't have to see that. What in
the world?
Good, bro.
What is that? Oh my gosh! Guys, we have no idea what that is, but okay, elephant tube. Don't scare me.
elephant.
Okay, elephant. And then there's water. Look at the water. Look at the water. It's so beautiful.
The bald eagle.
Look at this water right now.
The bald eagle.
The video's about to end.
Oh man.